Hi!
Welcome! This is my HOMESENSE haul. And I'm supposed to be having my BFF come over right now, so I gotta hurry this up. Marietta, answer your phone when I call you, girl. So, as I said, this is a HOMESENSE haul, so I just went to HOMESENSE, picked up a few spring-inspired things, and also a few things for... Sorry. Okay. okay. HOMESENSE haul. Spring-inspired things, such as a wreath, flowers for the balcony. That's it. Organization things, puppy things, and hand lotion things. Okay, starting off with the wreath. So this is the wreath I went with. I've been looking for a wreath for like months now. This one was $19.99. Checking to see if I'm in focus. And it's honestly not the ideal one that I wanted. I wanted one with lavenders, but this one's really cute. And I think if I hang it on the front door, it's just a nice reminder for the people inside that be like, oh yeah, Vanessa lives there. She has nice flowers on her door. And it's really nice and inviting. Probably even get away with using it for the summer. New one will be in the fall. Sorry, Jenna. Gotta have different wreaths for every season. And then a Christmas one, obviously. So it's actually a pretty good price. It's twine on the back. I wanted to make my own, but I think it would have been a lot more expensive than $19.99. And then big flowers over here. No idea what these flowers are. White flowers. That's what we call them. White flower wreath. Put it on my door with a hook I got at the dollar store. Please
Look how
see the
cute
video.
my door looks.
Ooh. Next
Good
thing
job, door.
is
Good
this
job.
other little flower plant. Look how cute it is. So it's a bunch of succulents inside a rose gold pot, which is kind of like the theme for my kitchen and flower stuff. Yeah, this one sells the price because I don't take these off. It's $14.99. I got it for $11. When I see these red stickers, I'm just like, buy. Super cute. It's gonna go on the balcony because we just finished. Hi, boo boo. We just finished up the balcony, and I needed a little bit. I want to put a lot of greenery, some real, mostly fake because I kill all plants. So I thought this was the perfect little addition for the table outside. On to the organization stuff. So this is just a simple little storage bin basket thing I got for, as my friend Ilma would like to call it, a domestic me and my boyfriend had yesterday. So he leaves his like pajamas right over a chair in our bedroom, and it really upsets me. It's like those little things, you know, it's like some people hate when you squeeze the toothpaste in the middle. Some people don't like when you don't put the toilet paper roll in. What pisses me off is his pajamas just like, and like in the middle of the room, everything else is pretty and made, and then his pajamas are like right there. We got in an argument about it yesterday, and we decided we would solve it with the storage bin that goes under the vanity. They can put all the stuff in here. Ta-da! And the colors go with the bedding. Well, this pink does, kind of. So hopefully he sticks to it and I don't have to suffocate him in his sleep. Just kidding. Okay, next one is the storage bin for the dogs, so same concept, but this one is so cute. Look, it has like, I don't know if it'll focus, but it has a bone here and little tuffles, tuffles. So I've already started putting things in here that we have for the dog. We're getting a golden doodle, by the way. A girl, I think she's around 3 weeks old now, but we're getting her obviously at 8 weeks or 7 or 8 weeks, I can't really remember. Her name's gonna be Mia, and she's a little golden doodle. So this is $20 at Petsmart. 20 bucks and you get $200 in savings. The main thing in here that kind of sold me was you get $21 off your first bag of food, and it's like major brands, so you're already making $2 savings. Other things is like brushes, chew toys, food, a bunch of stuff. Next thing that I got was this for the doggy. This is super cute. It's for the dog's food. It's rose gold. It's a little lid, and it matches the colors in the kitchen, which is copper or rose gold. I like calling it rose gold, sounds fancier. Boujee, as my brother would say. Last thing is this lotion, because I swear I'm like avoiding washing dishes. This is my excuse. I don't have a nice lotion in there. I have to go all the way to the bathroom to lotion my hands. I sound like a princess, but no, I actually just wanted lotion and hand soap in the kitchen. And this was $7.99, I think. I think this thing was like $9.99. And the bin for the dog stuff was, I think, $12.99. But it's a super cute little storage bin. I have this called, what is this called? A leash in here. It's handmade by Highland Hounds, which is this girl that I went to high school's future mother-in-law's little boutique with dog stuff, so it's like homemade Etsy style. Pink into black. And actually Jenna picked this. She wanted a pink thing for our dog. It's so cute. I love the look of it. And it's pretty sturdy. I think it's gonna last her for a few months at least until she gets too big, because golden doodles get a little bit bigger. We also have another leash by Ellen, so we can use this one later. And we have a matching collar, which I don't know where I put, so gotta get all the dog things organized. Okay, Miranda did call me while I was doing this, so thanks for tuning in. HOMESENSE haul complete. Nessa out.